You guys have hearts of gold, worth more than any gold possible, any gold out there possible. There's no gold that can equal your hearts of gold, and I know that. I know so many of you. I watch you on Instagram, I watch you on Facebook, and I keep an eye on you. I keep an eye on you because I'm always sending light. I'm always doing things like that. And I was telling Spirit, they're here. They're actually here. I'm playing this song tonight, and because they're here, am I right? Am I right? Are the people with hearts of gold here? Because I believe that. I believe that 100%, 100%, without a doubt. I said thank you to Spirit really for the first time. And I said, that's it. You got me. You got me. That's it. You got me. You got me. You saved my dog, and you got me. I'm there for the people, no matter what. Whether they think the answers are right, whether they think the answers are wrong, whether they think the information is good, whether they think the information is bad. I'm in it all the way to the end with everything I got and everything I got to do. I'm in it. I'm in it.
I can see clearly now, the rain is gone. I can see all obstacles in my way. Gone are the dark clouds that had me blind. It's gonna be a bright, 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 sunshiny day. It's gonna be a bright,
That's Anthony?
That's Anthony.
Uh-huh. You like it?
Here's the artichoke.
Do you like artichokes?
Here we go. Ooh.
Are you yummy?
Oh, jeez. Okay, yeah.
Who's your best friend?
I can see clearly now the rain is gone. I can see all obstacles in my way. Gone up the dark clouds that had me blind. It's gonna be a bright, bright, sunshiny day. It's gonna be a bright, bright, sunshiny day. Gonna be a bright.
Ma.
Cream.
Daddy, daddy, daddy.